Hello friends, I am Aadrit and I'm back with my fifth video, I guess. Yeah, fifth video. And in this video, we're going to be learning about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So here, using HTML, we make websites like this. See this is pure HTML, this mathsfun.com, pure HTML. Some JavaScript is here, some CSS, but today we're going to be learning about HTML. So we first need a text editor. I'm going to be using Atom. If you don't have Atom in your laptop or machine, whatever, go to atom.io, and in atom.io you can get this download link. You can download this Atom text editor. Yeah, if I click download, it will download. And if you're using Mac, then well, if you click download, it might, yeah, in Mac also it can happen. But forget about it. Now here we have Atom. I'll just, these are my previous projects. Wait a minute. I'll close all these projects. It's not see, this is HTML, okay? This is HTML. And some EJS also. You will learn about that later. Wait, this one is not responding. Atom. Yeah. I want to close this welcome thingy. Styles.css, I want to close. Welcome. App.js is JavaScript. And list.ejs also I want to close. Here will be this here. We'll have a new file, suppose. And in that new file, wait, what's happening? Actually, what do you call? Yeah, I used it long ago, so it's not responding. Enter path for new file. So I'll just give the name of the file. I want it to be, suppose, index. That's what people give generally. .html. So it's not going to be .docs, .pptx, .javascript. No, it's .html. And then I'll enter. It will open and it will create and then open that file also. Yeah. Now first, what will we write? Make a HTML file. No, this won't work. If I make an HTML file, if I say this, it will just, nothing will happen. So instead of that, right, we'll insert the HTML boilerplate. Now what is this boilerplate? I'll show you. I'll write HTML and press enter. This is the HTML boilerplate. This is the first line, as you can see. So it's exclamation mark doc type HTML in some brackets. These greater than less than brackets. These are called tags. This is a tag. This is a tag. You don't have to worry about this tag actually. This is default. Inside head, the heading, you have this meta charset, which you also don't have to worry about. Now this title. What is this title? This title is actually, you see here, in this here, here it's given introduction to derivatives, right? Derivatives. So how does this work? What do you say? This is called the title of the web page. And its title is Introduction to Derivatives. Yeah. Here, suppose I want my web page. Okay, my personal web page. So I'll write Aadrit's web page maybe, or no. Aadrit's adventures. Maybe. No. I've already created such file. Aadrit. Okay, or Aadrit Circle. My full name. Yeah. Now this is complete. You don't have to worry about this. Now you see this blue dot here. This blue dot actually means like you have to save it. It's not safe. I'll just press Ctrl S and see the blue dot disappeared. Inside the body, this body is actually this whole main page, this main thing. This. It's HTML, right? So it has to have a body. But how do we know? How do we write something? Like, how do we write HTML? How do we manage the size, the scale of the writings? That's we will learn right now. So we have HTML tags. First tag is H1. This has the largest heading. So if I write hi, okay, then I'll just copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And in H2, which is a bit smaller, I'll write hi, and then Ctrl V, yeah. H3, I'll write hi. Okay. We have till H6, so H4 is even smaller than H3. Okay, there's nothing called H14, sorry. And then I'll copy it again and write H5. And then here I'll write H6, which is like H is for heading. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Yeah. Now if I Ctrl S, okay, now what will I see in my web page? So to see your web page, you just index.html, press this file here, and then copy full path. So it will just copy the file path. And then in Google, in the browser, you press Ctrl V. Okay, this is not hosted yet, obviously. It's just present in your local device. And see here, this web page is a bit very uncommonly. With heading 1, I've got this big hi. Heading 2, I've got this little smaller hi. Heading 3, even smaller hi, until it goes down to H6, which is the smallest. Yeah, like this is HTML. Like this is the basic HTML. So I don't want to write hi. Okay, it's not HTML properly. It's some hi's. So in H1 I want to give the heading. Not K1. H1. My H1 heading should be my I don't want a heading. I'll just write the heading for now, and I'll write here Aadrit. Okay. What am I writing? Here, and then there is another HTML tag called P, which is paragraphs. So if I just write P here, yeah. Oops, what is this? Yeah, P. And I want to write some description about me, like I am Aadrit and I like to program web pages and I like to make YouTube videos. What's the spelling? Yeah, YouTube videos. Now, if I Ctrl S and I already have my path copied, I just refresh this page. See, I got this in big letters. Aadrit. I am Aadrit, and I like to program web pages, and I like to make YouTube videos. Oops, grammar mistake, not programming mistake. Oh, what is this? Yeah, my brother did all this. Oh. Yeah. HTML. And if you want, I will teach you about JavaScript, CSS too. But in my next video. Yeah, in my next video. So I am Aadrit and I like to, yeah. And then you see in the web, in like the pages, personal web pages, like I don't think I can get a web page that easily. Or if I see Wikipedia, okay, Austin Miller Wikipedia, okay, something. Yeah, see this line here, this thin line. How did they do it? Actually, I couldn't write something, right? Like paragraph won't be of any use. But what tag will be? So we need an HR tag. HR means line. So in this HR, I'll just write, suppose I want it to be a bit thick, moderate. So I'll write no shade. And I think 2 is the proper one. Now if I save and refresh this page, see, I've got a line. Fun, right? Yeah, I like it. But what if I give no shade 5? What will happen? Let's check it out. What? Oh, if it doesn't respond, and then I'll just do this, Control V. I did no shade 5, right? Copy full path, and then here I'll Control V. Yeah, see? It's became a bit thick. But I don't really want it. It wants me to. Yeah. Now I want to give some education facts. Where did I get education? Well, now actually I am studying in DPS Mayapur, so I will just write I study in DPS Mayapur, Hyderabad. Not Hyderabad. Hyderabad, Telangana, which is actually a state of India. Wait. Yeah, in case you don't know. Now if I control this, and I will, wait. Yeah, here, see, I study in DPS Mayapur, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. But I actually want the heading of education. But I don't want it to be as big as my Aadrit heading. It's a subheading. So I'll just get into my body, yeah, and H2. Yeah, H2. And I'll write education. See? Education. A bit smaller, but bolder. Okay, these are some tags I've said. But now I want these to be in bullets. So, or no, I don't want it to be in bullets. Yeah. Stupid. Bullets. It just makes the things messy. I want it to be in numbers. So I just write here, I study in DPS Mayapur, Control S, and here I'll get it. Yeah. See? Now there are other tags like body head, metatarsus, Aadrit, B, HR, H2, H3, H6 I've showed you, the other H's. And what about, I want an image. Yeah, I want an image. So, I just go here, and if I go to my, what do you call, here, Here I will copy image address. I'll just copy my image address. Now, the image tag, I'll write here img. So, the src, which means the link, I'll give the link. And what if my image doesn't load? Okay, what will I give instead of that? So I'll just alternatively I'll write Aadrit's image. Okay, Control S, and here I refresh, and I got it. Wait. I mean, I want it to be above my Aadrit. I just have to replace this. Oh, mistakes happen sometimes. Now I refresh it, and I got my image here. Now, what if I didn't have my image? Suppose I wrote something blah 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 here. So, if I do that, my image won't be able to load. It's not a, see? I guess, Aadrit's image. But I just want to control Z what I did. And here you could see the image is back again. Now, what other tags do we have? H1, H2, center tag. If I want my image to be in the center, I will use my center tag. So I'll just write center. Oh yeah, I mean I have to give this center. And it gets my center tag. And this image, Control X, should be in my center tag. Oops, I got a Control S. And here, this image is at the center. Wow. You know, I just really like HTML. And suppose I want everything to be in the center. So I'll just replace this center, the end center tag, Control X, and I'll put it right at the end, Control V. In that case, oh yeah, because of this big HR, it's not happening. I made a mistake. Let me put this HR, Control X after here, Control V. Everything, and I mean everything, comes in the center, which I don't really want. I don't want anything to be in the center, so I'll just Control See? Now I will get my image back wherever I wanted them to be. Okay. What other tags do we have? These are the basic tags, you know. I mean, in my first page, I did this, nothing else. So I just want to write a couple of things more, like P. I'll just use P for paragraphs. 2. Made a mistake. I am education, right? My previous school was Birla High School, Kolkata, West Bengal, which is again a state of India, in case you don't know. It's a state of India, what I mean to say. West Bengal, India. Got it? Now if I Control S, I might be able to get, yeah, see? My previous school was Birla High School, Kolkata. Now, I want to, suppose, help others. Okay, suppose that in personal, I just really like to what do you call? Yeah, like learn about the underwater life, the aquatic life, and the terrestrial life, the wildlife. And I also like to learn about space. So I'll just give another HR here. HR, what do you call that? No shade. No shade equals to 2. Yeah, 2. Here, I'll just write what was that? H2. Yeah. Subheading, as you see, H2, I can help, okay. I can help. Control S, and here I got I can help. Now I'll just write P. I love to learn about oceans. So, do you want to learn? Do you want to? Yeah. And then I want the learn about it, the next part of the sentence, to be in a link. Like, I want it to be in a link. So, hyperlinks, as you can say. I'll just go to YouTube. I really like Octonauts, what do you call? A YouTube channel, which talks about the underwater life. See here, I've got the underwater life, sea fish, yeah, and see, this is the link. So I'll just Control C, and how do I paste a link? So to paste a link, we use the anchor tag, which is A. Here we have this href, which is hash. I don't need href means a link. I don't want it to be hash. A hash is not a link. Control V, the link. Here. And then what do I want to write there? Like, it's a hyperlink, right? It shouldn't show this huge link. No. I want to say learn about it. No. Learn about it. So do you want to learn about it? Let's get question mark. Control S. Now it's going to be very funny. See, this learn about it is highlighted because it's a link. So if I click it, my HTML page goes here in the Octonauts YouTube page. So this is and I also want to learn about the wildlife. Want them to learn about the wildlife. So the wildlife, I learn about the wildlife using YouTube videos again. And this time, instead of Octonauts, it's Wildcrats. You might have heard about it. Wildcrats, this one. Full of pixels. So I'll Control C. And I'll P, yeah. I like wildlife as well. Okay. So I like wildlife as well. I want this wildlife to be in the anchor tag. So I'll just, Control X, anchor tag, I will give. Yeah. And href should be, not wildlife, sorry. The link, right. I didn't copy two things at once. Control V. And this should be wildlife. life. I like wildlife as well. Control S. Now, if you see here, I like wildlife as well. If I click this wildlife, I'll go to Octonauts full episodes. Yeah, and space, I don't really watch, I read books. Okay, so I don't want to write about space there. So this is my HTML page. I hope you learned I want you to learn about these tags. HTML. Well, let's revise once more. How do we enter this boilerplate? Well, this boilerplate, as you see, we write HTML, and then boilerplate appears. This is called the HTML boilerplate. It has a few parts. This doc type, this HTML language. No, not English. It should be English, okay. If you want your website to be something like Japanese, Chinese, Swiss, German, you can change it. This is the boilerplate, heading. This is the head portion. And here this is the meta charset, which you don't need to worry about. This title, you want to give something. Head, body. This body, you're gonna write something like HTML tags, not this, and HTML ends. This boilerplate, okay. And next is inside body you can have image tags, H1 tags, P tags, paragraph tags, HR tags, H2 tags, then again some H3, H4, H5, H6 tags, center tags, okay, and all of the tags, like most of the tags, especially these H1, Ps and anchor tags, as well as the center tags, body tags, head tags, HTML tags. They should have an end tag also, like this. HTML starts here and ends with a slash and then HTML. Okay? So, we've created a website. Wait. Yeah? And in my next YouTube channel, I will be teaching you how to design this to this. See how cool it is? Well, I'm not really gonna do this actually. Okay, see, these are the links here. But I don't wanna make exactly this. I wanna make something else. CSS. We need CSS. So for CSS, we'll learn CSS about in the next video. I hope you learned something in this video. And if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is me, Aadrit Funfacts, signing out.